Headed out for some trout fishing, starting out with an inline spinner in this BFS, bait finesse style gear. Ultralight bait casting. Well, it turns out the inline spinner wasn't what the trout wanted. What they wanted was a copper super duper, the 501 size. Able to cast it easily well past mid-pond, and in the retrieve that worked, well, in the pass, a slow retrieve. Watch the rod tip bend, or at least twitch, set the hook real faster, and you've got yourself a trout on the line. In this case, it'd be the first of 5 to make a limit on this trip. They're not big, but they're still fun to catch. So let's go ahead and cast it out again. Again, aiming for mid-pond. And again, a slow retrieve. Slow retrieve. Watching for that rod tip, waiting for that feel. Get that little tip right there. Got him. Bring him right in. Nice stuff. That one hit well, I'd say about mid-pond or so. But they were varying from mid-pond all the way up to pretty close to shore. So bottom line, finish your retrieve while you're out there. So here's another cast. Side cast is what I prefer in this particular rig. This is that Feather Flight Kingfisher BFS reel on that handing rod. And there he is, another one on the line. And in short order, I'm going to be landing him here shortly. I am using 2-pound test trout magnet monofilament line. And that thin diameter mono is not an issue with this Kingfisher. All right, let's go and get ourselves maybe trout number 4. What do you say? All right, mid-pond, slow retrieve, just kind of bringing it in, waiting for that feel. Is he there? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, I think he's going to be biting here soon. I just got to feel it. All right, come on, come on. All right, and it'll be pretty close, I believe, on this one when he actually strikes. So, yeah, there he is. Finish retrieve. That's basically about maybe 20 feet away. Get him on the line. Put him in the creel shortly. And let's try doing it again. See if we can get our number 5. So this is number, well, it's supposed to be number 5, but oops. Fell back in, dropped it, and he got away. But again, you can see that that was up close when he hit, about maybe 20 feet or so. This last one, well, let's see what he does. We'll just kind of reel it in slow again. Steady retrieve, and wait for that twitch. Wait for that indication of a strike. You'll feel that tension, and when you do, just start reeling faster. All right, there we go. Got him. This one's a little bit further out, and he put up another quick fight, but hey, he's going to be in the bag here shortly. So, yours truly, getting a limited trout on the Copper Super Duper. And now, well, let's see if we can get one to hit again. Just for funsies. Oh, there he goes, right there. Nice. Okay, that one was well past mid-pond. And in this case, he pretty much hit it on the drop, right when I was starting to retrieve and whatnot. So, hey, it's a fun time. And when you're out there, do keep in mind the bait finesse style gear. Really educate your thumb as well as feel that fighting on that rod. Definitely is different feel because it's ultralight fishing for these scrappy little fish. But every once in a while, you'll get that nice sized bruiser on there. Alrighty, and there he is. All right, let's go check out the limit. There he is. We got ourselves 5. Did a little catch and release, but bottom line, you can only keep 5. All right,